Welcome. If you've ever noticed your videos on Facebook looking blurry or low quality on your computer, you're not alone. The good news is that with a simple update in Facebook settings, you can switch your video playback to HD and enjoy much clearer content. Let's walk through exactly how to do it step by step. First, open Facebook on your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personal settings. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand another set of options. Go ahead and click on Settings to open the full settings page. Now that you're inside the settings area, look for the section labeled Media. Depending on your layout, you might need to scroll a little to find it, but it should be clearly listed. Click on Media and you'll see options related to how videos are played on your account. Look for the setting called Video Default Quality. Next to this option, you'll see a selection menu. Click on it and choose HD if available. This ensures that whenever possible, Facebook will play videos in high definition instead of standard quality. Once you've selected HD, your changes are saved automatically. There's no need to click a Save button, so you're all set. From now on, videos should appear much sharper and more detailed when you watch them on Facebook using your PC. Just keep in mind that HD playback may use more data and depends on your internet speed. And that's it. A quick setting change can make a big difference in your viewing experience.